At some point, unanswered prayers stop making you sad and slowly turn into silent exhaustion. Not because you stopped believing, but because you kept believing. You kept making dua. You kept expecting Allah to finally open a door for you. But nothing changed. So now you smile around people, while secretly carrying a painful question inside your chest. What if my prayers are never going to be answered? And the hardest part? You would never say that question out loud, because you feel guilty for even thinking it. If that silent exhaustion has been living inside you, then stay here for a few minutes, because this is not another video filled with empty motivational phrases. Tonight, we talk about the pain nobody admits. When a human being feels trapped, the mind desperately searches for exits. A sign, a miracle, a shortcut, anything. And when nothing appears, the heart starts translating silence as abandonment. But pause for a moment. Look carefully at your own life. There were nights you thought you would mentally collapse. Yet, somehow, you survived them. There were moments you were emotionally finished, but something invisible kept your soul from completely breaking. That was not coincidence. That was not luck. That was Al-Muhaymin, the protector, carrying you quietly while you were too overwhelmed to even notice. You think Allah is silent because He forgot you, but Allah does not abandon the hearts He created. Sometimes He becomes quiet because He is rearranging realities you cannot yet see. While you are crying over one closed door, Allah is protecting you from an entire future that would have destroyed you. We trust Allah, but sometimes we struggle to trust the way His plans unfold. We ask for relief, but only in the form we personally wanted. We ask for healing, but refuse the process that healing requires. So when life starts removing people, delaying opportunities, breaking attachments, shaking our comfort, we panic. Because we think destruction is happening. But what if Allah is not destroying your life? What if He is rescuing your soul from becoming attached to things that were slowly poisoning it? Listen carefully. The door you are desperately trying to force open might be locked because the room behind it is already burning, and Allah, in His mercy, refused to let you walk inside. Your pain is not proof that Allah is against you. This season of confusion may actually be divine preparation. Because sometimes Allah will isolate a person before elevating them. Sometimes He will break their dependence on creation before bringing them closer to Him. And sometimes the unanswered dua is itself the thing that saves them. Stop trying to carry tomorrow before it arrives. Stop exhausting your soul trying to control outcomes. Allah already controls perfectly. Drop the fear. Drop the panic. Drop the constant need to understand everything immediately. And place the weight back onto the one who never asked you to carry life alone. Maybe your job was never to force the doors open. Maybe your job was simply to keep knocking, while trusting the timing of the one behind the door. Maybe this pain was never sent to destroy you. Maybe it was sent to introduce you to Allah. If someone you love is quietly struggling, share this reminder with them. And if your soul is tired of carrying the weight alone, comment, Ya Allah, I trust where you are taking me.